So this is how you vote. This is how you can choose your preferred souvenirs for the year. So you quickly look out for your browser, either Chrome or Safari or whichever browser you are using. You just tap on your browser. So I'm using Google Chrome. You can also search for GRNMA Infonet from Google, where you can follow the process. So when it opens this way for you, just come to where they've written search Google. Then you tap there. Then you enter here GRNMA Infonet.com. Then you hit on enter. It loads and brings you here. So here you just tap on GRNMA Infonet. It loads and opens this way for you. So here they are asking for your staff ID or your username. So that is your staff ID. So you just tap there and you enter your staff ID. After entering your staff ID, you enter your password. So you tap on where the password is written. That's box there. After entering your password, you tap on login. It loads and brings you here. So here, what you have to do is just look at where the name is written. When you come below, we have Take Survey with that red notification sign. So just tap on the Take Survey. When you tap on it, it opens this way for you. So once it's open, you can see we have souvenir choice to elicit from the general membership their preference. So what do we prefer as members? So you need to decide. Your voice counts here. This is your vote. So choose what you want. At the end of the day, it means you decided what you wanted as a souvenir out of the options that are available. Okay. So you tap on Take Survey. It opens and you can see the two available options there. So if you want the Stanley Cup, you just tap on this space here. See, it has been highlighted. If you want the backpack too, you just tap on this and also get highlighted. So you just choose one, then you tap on Complete Survey. So here, this person say he or she wants the bag. So you just tap on the backpack, then you tap on Complete Survey. And hooray, you are done. You've taken the survey. So at the end of the day, majority decision will decide. So if most of us select the bag, so far it looks like the bag is winning anyway. So just make your choice and you are good to go, right? So that is it. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please try to do that and share this with all other colleagues as well.